In this tutorial, we are building a journey. When a new customer is added on Stripe, it will add a new subscriber in Mailchimp. So let's start. Select Stripe as a trigger. Then choose New Customer as a trigger event. Select the existing connection and click on Link an Account. Now in steps, we have to add a new subscriber in Mailchimp. For that, select Mailchimp. Next, select Add Subscriber Member as action. Select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Next, select List. Enter email address using Stripe app data. We are now ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. To check the output, let's go to Stripe, add a new customer, fill out the appropriate fields, and click on Add Customer. Next, go to our journey to check the execution. Yes, it is executed successfully. Go to Mailchimp. You can see a new record has been added. In this way, we can create an automation journey to add new Mailchimp subscriber from new Stripe customer. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.